This video presents the Transformation Roadmap, a 3-year strategic plan for tannery modernization, focused on elevating Pakistani tanneries to global standards. The paradigm shift moves away from low-margin commodity operations managed by local brokers to becoming a certified global partner. The transition from a low-margin OEM supplier to a high-authority global partner is not an overnight change. It requires a deliberate, structured, and multi-stage operational evolution. Phase 1. Gap analysis, spanning months 0 to 6, involves establishing deep on-floor baseline visibility across physical, biological, and chemistry flows to prepare operations for upgrades systematically. Biochemical repository auditing includes checks for REACH and ZDHC compliance, inventory mapping of wet-end materials, and sourcing clean pipelines for certification readiness. Process yield mapping covers material loss auditing to quantify yield margins and area protection plans to prevent skin grain damage, boosting total batch revenue. Environmental baseline logging tracks the continuous reduction trajectory of freshwater usage following calibration of digital drum shower valves and raw bath reuse systems. Phase 2. Standardization, from months 6 to 18, involves deep process standardization and aligning on-floor engineering parameters to meet international performance guidelines for regulatory compliance. Formulation calibration addresses the eyesight parameter risk of traditional coloring by implementing digitally programmed recipes using microdosing systems for consistent color and quality. Standardization yield outcomes track the increase in processed hide selection matching flawless premium grain standards, targeting a global luxury threshold of 90% yield. Phase 3, direct sales in year 3, involves the commercial deployment of the standardized operational platform, bypassing middle brokers to launch innovations directly to luxury buyers for market penetration. Proprietary IP formulation enables the creation of high-performance articles and patents custom-finished articles, guaranteeing product lock-in and protecting pricing power. The digital material showroom supports the global procurement engine by deploying interactive 3D digital renderings and QR-linked swatch catalog books. This allows procurement managers to remotely test physical properties and view certifications. Margin share reallocation shows that by bypassing intermediate agents, up to 65% of the leather article's final sale price is captured and retained directly by the processing factory. Regional hub performance targets show target specializations and certification goals. For instance, the Sialkot cluster targets an 88% yield for activewear and protective gloves, aiming for LWG Silver/Gold certification. The execution checklist includes key milestones over 36 months, such as cleaning chemical repositories, completing water conservation pipelines, finalizing LWG Gold documentation, and migrating output volume to direct brand contracts.